this is a test of endurance, teamwork, and discipline. Do you enjoy the scenery?
We are conducting the second foot march of the BMT Class 2025 Alpha. This activity is conducted purposely to develop their physical strength, their stamina, endurance, and most especially the resilience of our students.
Lord, I pray, God, give us, Lord God, extraordinary strength, Lord God, to start and to finish, Lord God, our foot march, Father, Lord God.
Dito po sa second foot march ng BMT Class 2025 Alpha is matitrain sila yung sa kanilang agility, yung sa physical strength nila, kung paano nila i-handle yung stress, pressure.
Di baling mabagal basta't lahat buhay.